If you're traveling to Thailand after May 1, 2025, this video is your new best friend. But if you're traveling before that, take a chill pill, like this video and go back to scrolling Reels or TikTok. Because starting May 1st, all non-Thai nationals entering Thailand, whether by air, land, sea or even using Doraemon's Anywhere door, must fill out their Thailand Digital Arrival Card TDAC online before arrival. It doesn't matter if you're from a visa-exempt country, getting visa on arrival or planning to illegally immigrate. Please don't. TDAC is now mandatory. And if you watch this video till the end, I promise you will get your TDAC in under 5 minutes. Quick note, TDAC is not the same as DTAC, that's a mobile SIM card provider. Also highly recommended, but more on that in another video. Before we begin, let's thank the sponsor of this video, my beautiful perpetually empty wallet.
गरीबी में जीना कला है, हम सिखाएंगे तुम्हें.
I am only here to earn your love, so please like this video and let's get you your TDAC. You just need to go to Google and type TDAC Thailand. Once you type TDAC Thailand, you need to go to this website tdac.immigration.go.th. Once you are on this, you just need to click on this arrival card. If you already have an arrival card, you can also update and edit out your information. But for now, let's click on this arrival card. Once you are on this page, you just need to fill out your personal information as it is in your passport. I'll just quickly fill out this form. After filling out this, click on continue. One important information that you need to fill this form only 72 hours before it. So right now, today is 12th of April and you can see that I can only select my date of arrival if I'm coming up till 15th of April. So for now, I'll just select 15th of April, but just know that you cannot fill this form before 72 hours. Country where you are boarded, I am boarding from India. Purpose of travel is holiday. Mode of travel is air. So even if you're traveling by land or sea, you still need to fill this TDAC card. Mode of transport would be a commercial flight. And vehicle number, you can just say anything. I'll put some random digits here. Date of departure is when you are exiting. Now in your traditional visa application form, you don't necessarily need to fill when you are leaving, how you are leaving, but this expects that whenever you reach Thailand, you have an exit flight ticket as well, because a lot of people just come and then they never leave, illegally immigrate in Thailand. So guys, please don't do that and make sure that you have a written flight ticket as soon as you arrive in Thailand. And I will also put some random digits here. Also, one important thing is you need to fill where you are staying in Thailand. So if you are staying in multiple locations, I would advise you come here and fill only one of your first hotels, whatever you have a confirmed booking. So if you are coming into Bangkok, staying for 3 days, then you just fill your Bangkok hotel. If you're going to Phuket after that or Chiang Mai, it doesn't matter. So just fill the first hotel that you're staying. So I'll just enter the Bangkok's hotel address. Then once you fill this, you just need to click on continue. And on the last and final step, you need to list down all the countries where you have stayed within the 2 weeks before your arrival in Thailand. For example, I'm only coming from India, so I'll just fill India and that is it. But if you're coming from Cambodia or Vietnam or wherever, then you make sure that you include it right here. And that is it. You just click on preview. In the final step, it gives you all the details that you have filled. Make sure it is okay, otherwise you'll have to edit it, apply for the new one. And in the last, in this field here, you have to mention your email ID and make sure it's correct, because this is where your TDAC card would come. Then you just need to click on I have read and accepted the terms and condition, and I'm pretty sure you're not going to read the terms and condition, and then just click on submit. And here it will just confirm your email address and you just click on confirm, and that is it. Now you can either open it in new tab or download. So I'll just open my TDAC in a new tab and this is how it looks like. Now tell me, how easy was it? So at the immigration counter, whenever you reach, you just need to present this TDAC and that is it. Well, that was easy. Thailand is a land of smiles, street food, sunset and scooters that go faster than your Wi-Fi. The new TDAC system is Thailand's way of saying welcome, but let's make it smoother. So safe travels, enjoy your Thai adventure, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your confused traveler buddy, and subscribe for more travel hacks and digital nomad gyan. And I will catch you really soon on my next video. Khapun khap.